Let's do yapping and cooking because I'm good at one thing and not so good at the other thing. You have to guess what I'm good at and what I'm bad at. So what I'm making right now is thepla. That's an Indian dish. It's kind of, if you know naan, but it's masala naan and it's not so thick. It's very thin. And then I have dal and rice. So I already had food. I already ate three theplas and with dal and rice, but I'm still hungry. So I'll eat more. So this is the dough of the thepla, and yeah, let's get started. Need to turn this thing on. Whew. What I'm gonna yap at today? Even I don't know what I'm gonna yap. Basically, I had a vacation of, you can say, 2 months because my vacation started on like 5th or 6th of December, and I don't have school till university or college, whatever you wanna say, or school till 4th of February. So I'm just basically enjoying my time here in Paris. It's yeah. By the way, it's been a year that I'm here in Paris. I haven't been to India once in the whole freaking year. I do miss my family, but more I miss the food of India. The food we have is like next level. So basically, I need to roll it. Oops. I need to roll it, and just keep rolling it. I need to get some dry dough, put it over here, and by the way, my mobile storage is like so much occupied that I could only have a clip of 15 minutes. So I will try my best to make two of these in the next 15 minutes and at the same time keep yapping. So yeah, the weather here is so I don't want to use any of the bad words, but the weather is so effing bad. It's currently raining outside. It's like 5 degrees, and it's also windy. So I mean, even if I want to get a Red Bull from the nearest grocery store, that's like 2 minutes away. I cannot because it's so. I mean, just the weather is so bad, bro. There's a meme over here in Europe that in Italy, Greece, and Spain, you have sun, good weather, good food, but less salary, less opportunity. And whereas in the countries like France, Germany, and the UK, you have good salary, good income, but you have no sun, no good food, and I mean that is so true. That is so true. Like in Greece, in Spain, and Italy, the weather is so good, but they don't have so much good opportunity. That's why people come to France and Germany rather than going to Italy and Spain for their education. I need to do it little bit more because it's thick in the sides. I need to make it thin everywhere, and I need to make it a round circle also. So yep, it's still thick over here. Okay, the gas is hot. Maybe a little bit more. Yep. I'm not making a pizza base, so don't misjudge this as a pizza base. And basically, I'm recording this thing because I got CapCut Premium and I don't want to waste 12 euros. So I'm just gonna post anything that I do, okay? Anything, literally, any fucking thing. I have also recorded some of the PUBG content, and I don't know really what am I doing, but I think one thing is true that you just need to keep posting because if people don't want to see me yap and cook, then people want to see me play PUBG. If they don't want to see me cook and yap and also play PUBG, they might want me to watch. Oh, sorry, they might want me to play Valorant. So, I mean, just literally fuck it, bro. Like I'm just gonna post shit ton of content out there. Shit ton of content. So I don't know if you guys are able to see, but it is cooking over there. I need to give it like 20 seconds, 25, max to max 30 seconds, no more than that, because it's on the highest temperature, it's on 9. So I need to give it like 30 seconds there, then flip it, instantly put the oil. I have oil over here. We use, what's the oil? Yeah, we use sunflower oil. So I need to put oil on that and then again flip it, again put the oil, and then just take it out. So if one is done, I need to get another one as soon as possible. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 more for my roommates, which I'm gonna make later. Just give me one, not 1 second, but okay. So you need to dry it with the dry flour. Now I'm gonna flip it, otherwise it will be overcooked. Oh no, it's not overcooked. My goodness, I thought it would be burnt or little bit overcooked, but shit. No, it's good. I hope it's good. My roommate, if you are seeing this, tell me if it's good or not. So maybe I did it little bit too early because I'm yapping, so I don't have the sense of time, like how many seconds it has passed. But never mind, I'm gonna give it like 10-15 more seconds over this side. Then okay, he said that there will be bubbles, and once the bubbles are there, I need to flip it. Yeah, I remember it now. So there were no bubbles. I did early. It is a little bit undercooked right now. So let's see if I can fix that. My bad. Sorry. Oh shit, bro! My black sweater. I forgot to wear an apron. Fuck me. Fuck me. So yeah, basically now I'm gonna put content in English because I think that it will attract a larger audience. The bubbles are here. I need to flip it. No, it's okay. Again, I undercooked it. Fuck it. No, but I need to put the oil. What the fuck am I doing? Oil, 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 oil. Okay, flip it fast. Yeah, you see the bubbles now? I don't know if you can see, but there's one big bubble. I need to put oil again on this side too, as I said before. I hope the storage capacity is okay and it's not been 15 minutes yet. Otherwise, I'll not be even able to show you how to make one of these. Okay, going good, it's good. A little bit undercooked on this side, I think, but I hope it's okay. And I'm making it for myself, so even if it's bad, I need to like eat it because I made it for myself. Oh no, the back side is really undercooked. Yeah, just for like I need to give it like 15 seconds or so, and I hope it would be done. I don't know what to say dal in English. Maybe it's called lentils, but lentils are the, how do I say, the raw material. Okay, I can just show it to you people. It's something like this. It's looking a little bit weird right now because it is in cold, but we need to like add a little bit of water and then again not cook it. Oh shit, my thepla. My goodness, I'm not so good at multitasking. Okay, I think this works. Fuck it, bro. I hate it when my clothes get dirty. I hate when people, just 2 to 3 seconds more, and I think it will be done. Oh la la. Okay. This side was a little bit thick, but I hope it's, I'll make this one better. Yeah, we keep it over there. Let the gas run. This is like looking like a square, but I need to make it in a circle, thin circle. So let's get it done. Why the fuck is it so square? I mean, rather than making flags of a country, it's good to have a square. Because in my language we say, કયા દેશનો ઝંડો બનાવી લીધો. So Fuck it, what am I even saying? Yeah, I'm speaking English, so I forgot my own mother tongue. Wow. શું કહીએ યાર એને આપણે ક્યાંનું નકશો okay, yeah, નકશો. Fuck it, bro, like literally fuck it. Okay, going good, but it is still in a square rectangle type of shape. I need to make it in a fucking circle. I know what I need to do. Oh la la, this side is thin. This is the most thinnest area. As I'm going over this side, this side is a little bit thick, so I need to do kamsa, and hopefully, yeah, I know the shape is not a fucking circle, but I'm just gonna, fuck it. Okay, works. I mean, it works. This works. It is kind of, I really don't know. Okay, you can do it. Little bit more. Yeah, and there we go. This one is more thin than the last one. So let's see. Yep. Hopefully it's not 15 minutes yet, otherwise I'm fucked because I'm speaking and let me just check it. Okay, so it's 12 minutes. I got 3 minutes to cook it and show you guys. So, I mean, in 3 minutes it will be obviously done. So, I showed you the dal. It is made up of multiple lentils, and I really don't know what to call dal in English. So, okay, there are bubbles over here. Just wait for like 5 to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm gonna flip it. Shit, it's not. I undercooked it again. When my roommate was sitting over here, I made it really good. I little bit overcooked I made 3 of them and I overcooked 2 of them. But I mean, oh la la. I don't know if I had the roommate buff or what. But right now I'm just undercooking it. You now see it, like it's a little bit popping out. If you guys can see, I don't know, hopefully the camera quality is good. I need to put oil again on this side. Maybe because the gas is this gas is smaller, this one is bigger. I was cooking on that one, so maybe because of the heat or I don't know. કારીગર કોઈ દી એની ભૂલ એક્સેપ્ટ નહીં કરે, હંમેશા ઈ કહે કે શું કહેવાય વાસણની ભૂલ છે. So yeah, to the non-Indian audience, you don't need to know what I say. You don't need to know. Simply, the guy who needs to know will understand it. So again, this side is cooked. I don't know what the fuck is wrong. I mean, nothing's wrong in the gas, it's just me. But I'm never gonna accept it. Okay, I undercooked it, but slowly it will get cooked. I need to practice. So there's 5 more over there, the doughs, the balls, and 2 of these here. I have the dal. I don't have to eat rice. I have curd or yogurt to eat, and I really need to learn French. Je ne parle pas bien français, monsieur. Je n'ai pas compris. Okay, so this is perfectly cooked. Yeah, this is perfectly cooked. This is not undercooked, this is not overcooked, this is just perfect. So I need to cook the bottom side now. Let's give it like 10 seconds and I mean, you guys can see it's like really square. It's not a fucking circle as my mom or as my roommate makes it. But I'm learning. Over the period of time, I shall overcome all these things. Okay, yeah. You guys can see it's It's really good. My mom will be proud of me. Over here, turn off the gas, put it over here. This goes here, this goes here. This is my small plate. I take it and I take it. Oh la la. These are the yogurts. I hope you guys can see it. I will eat two of these as of now. And yep, see you later.